Nothing happened.
Oh, hear the crunch. Hear the crunch. Should be fine.
Sweet?
I don't have much money, but boy, if I did, I'd buy a big house where we both live.
Much I've said, too much, been too unkind. I try to laugh about it, cover it all up with lies. I try to laugh about it, hiding the tears in my eyes, 'cause boys don't cry. Boys don't cry. I would break down at your feet and beg forgiveness, plead with you. But I know that it's too late and now there's nothing I can do. So I try to laugh about it, cover it all up with lies. I try to laugh about it, hiding the tears in my eyes, 'cause boys don't cry. Boys don't cry. I would tell you that I loved you if I thought that you would say. But I know that it's no use and you already gone away. Misjudged your limits, pushed you too far, took you for granted. I thought that you needed me, mama. Now I would do most anything to get you back by my side.
Serious
Keep on laughing, hiding the tears in my eyes, 'cause boys don't cry.
Hindi ko ata talaga anak ko eh.
Boys don't cry. Boys don't cry.
Anak ko yan. Hango.
Suddenly, we were on the moon, flying high in the neon sky.
Okay na, okay na. Thank you, thank you.
Then, just one touch and all the church bells rang.
Silang
80s yan.
Silang tatlo ako pakanta.
Sun bright shine
Siya
in
matugtog
the
ko.
midnight sky. I knew the stars came out to play. Yeah. The whole wide world went to Kahibukan mo ng dear, ayaw pa mamatay. Iliw, huwag mo sanang limutin ang mga araw na hindi sana naglaho. Mga anak, kalbahan natin pinaplano. Lahat ng ito nawala na ang iniwan mo ko. Kaya ngayon, ibuhos na ang fear sa aking lalamunan upang maluno na ang puso kong nahihirapan. Bawat patak, anong sarap, ano ba talagang mas gusto ko? Ang fear na to o ang pag-ibig ko.
Puro na lang pamahal yung mic.